It is imperative for the health and welfare of any woman to maintain proper hygiene in her intimate area. This thorough guide will cover a variety of topics, including the anatomy of the vagina, the importance of washing, safe cleaning techniques for the vulva, issues with feminine washes and sprays, vaginal odors, normal vaginal discharge, preventative cleaning techniques, when to seek medical attention, and who to consult for advice. It's important to know the anatomy of your intimate area in order to take adequate care of it. The cervix, or bottom half of the uterus, and the external genitalia, which includes the vulva, are connected by the vagina, a muscular canal. The labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, vaginal entrance, and urethral opening make up the vulva. The creation of discharge is a natural part of the vagina's self-cleaning mechanism. Nonetheless, it's critical to routinely clean the vulva, the external portion of the genitalia. Sweat, dead skin cells, and bacteria can build up in the vulva, which can cause infections or offensive odors. Here's how you can safely wash your vulva. First, start with warm water. In the shower or bathtub, rinse the vulva with warm water. Secondly, use gentle, fragrance-free soap. If preferred, gently wash the vulva with a moderate, fragrance-free soap. Steer clear of perfume products, douches, and strong soaps since they can irritate sensitive skin and upset the skin's natural pH balance. And finally, to stop bacteria from moving from the anus to the vagina, always wipe or wash from the front to the rear. Here are safe vulva cleaning procedures. Number 1, use a fresh towel to gently pat dry the area after washing. Rubbing too hard can irritate, so avoid doing so. Secondly, to ensure adequate ventilation and minimize moisture, which may foster the growth of bacteria, use breathable cotton underwear. And finally, steer clear of tight clothing. Clothing that fits too closely can trap moisture and heat, which encourages the growth of fungus and bacteria. There's usually no need for feminine sprays and washes. It is possible that the harsh chemicals and scents in these products upset the normal balance of the vaginal flora, causing irritation, inflammation, and infection. As such, it's advisable to refrain from utilizing them unless a healthcare provider specifically advises you to. How to deal with vaginal odors. Hormonal fluctuations, food, and personal hygiene can all affect how slightly the vagina smells. An infection or other underlying medical issues, however, may be indicated by a strong, nasty odor. It is best to speak with a healthcare professional if you smell something fishy or persistent. Recognizing vaginal discharge. Vaginal discharge keeps the vagina clean and is a normal occurrence. However, during the menstrual cycle, there may be variations in the quantity, color, and quality of the discharge. Let's say you see any abrupt alterations to the color, consistency, or smell of your discharge. In that scenario, it's imperative to speak with a medical expert since it can point to an infection or other problems. A healthy vaginal and vulvar environment depends on abstaining from the following behaviors. Number 1, douching. Douching throws off the vagina's normal equilibrium, raising the possibility of infections and other issues. 2, using scented products. The natural pH balance can be upset and irritation can result from using scented soaps, sprays, pads, and tampons. And finally, overcleaning. Removing natural oils from the vulva may result in dryness and discomfort. It is advised that you get medical help if you encounter any of the following symptoms: chronic burning, itching or irritation, strong disagreeable smell, irregularities in the vaginal discharge, pain when urinating or having sex, indications of an infection, such as odd sores, redness, and swelling. It is advised to speak with a gynecologist or other healthcare professional who specializes in women's health regarding intimate health issues. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthcare-related content. WiseWorld Healthcare.